First reading, Hosea chapter 8 verse 4 to 7, 11 to 13. They have reigned, but not by me, they have been princes, and I knew not, of their silver, and their gold they have made idols to themselves, that they might perish. Thy calf, O Samaria, is cast off, my wrath is kindled against them. How long will they be incapable of being cleansed? For itself also is the invention of Israel, a workman made it, and it is no God, for the calf of Samaria shall be turned to spiders' webs. For they shall sow wind, and reap a whirlwind, there is no standing stalk in it, the bud shall yield no meal, and if it should yield, strangers shall eat it. Because Ephraim hath made many altars to sin, altars are become to him unto sin. I shall write to him my manifold laws, which have been accounted as foreign. They shall offer victims, they shall sacrifice flesh, and shall eat it, and the Lord will not receive them. Now will he remember their iniquity, and will visit their sins, they shall return to Egypt. Psalms chapter 115 verse 3 to 10. But our God is in heaven, he hath done all things whatsoever he would. The idols of the Gentiles are silver and gold, the works of the hands of men. They have mouths and speak not, they have eyes and see not. They have ears and hear not, they have noses and smell not. They have hands and feel not, they have feet and walk not, neither shall they cry out through their throat. Let them that make them become like unto them, and all such as trust in them. The house of Israel hath hoped in the Lord, he is their helper and their protector. The house of Aaron hath hoped in the Lord, he is their helper and their protector. Gospel, Matthew chapter 9 verse 32 to 38. And when they were gone out, behold, they brought him a dumb man, possessed with a devil. And after the devil was cast out, the dumb man spoke, and the multitudes wondered, saying, Never was the like seen in Israel. But the Pharisees said, By the prince of devils he casteth out devils. And Jesus went about all the cities and towns, teaching in their synagogues, and preaching the gospel of the kingdom, and healing every disease, and every infirmity. And seeing the multitudes, he had compassion on them, because they were distressed, and lying like sheep that have no shepherd. Then he saith to his disciples, The harvest indeed is great, but the laborers are few. Pray ye therefore the Lord of the harvest, that he send forth laborers into his harvest.